Each one of us wishes to have clear, glowing and healthy facial skin without having to face any problems or hindrances in the path. Taking solace with the wrong skin products, in the long run, may end up leading to the loss of skin glow, increase in the skin barrier damage and also increase the rate of the aging of your skin. Hence, many of us who are unaware have to unwillingly and unknowingly compromise either in the present or in the later years. But with the blessings of nature on our heads, even your face would not remain a cause of worry. Try olive oil for face and feel free from most of your problems concerned with your face. Most common issues concerning your face: acne, pimples, blackheads and whiteheads, wrinkles, sagging skin, scarring, dry skin, early aging, loss of glow from the face, rashes, skin allergies, serious diseases like eczema. What is olive oil? Olive oil is obtained from Olea europaea plant. You can extract this oil from olives by pressing or via other methods. It belongs to the Oleaceae family. It is the native of the Mediterranean basin. Olive oil is known by various names all around the world, like Jaitan ka telephone in Hindi, olive oli by Africans, Zayd al-Zaydan in Arabic and mafuta in Swahili. Olive oil has many nutritional benefits and is considered to be a healthy option in cooking. The oil has got amazing results for hair and skin problems as well. Why use olive oil for face? The concept of using olive oil for face is nothing new. It has been used as a beauty product for ages now. The composition of olive oil itself proves its worth. It contains vitamins and minerals that help in regenerating the skin cells. 1. Olive oil enhances the elasticity of the facial skin and hence reduces wrinkles. It is a natural and more effective moisturizer than many commercial products available in the market. Olive oil provides a soothing effect on many serious skin conditions, for instance eczema. It can be used as a fruitful remedy against eczema. If you are suffering from facial acne, the natural antibacterial property of olive oil helps in preventing the bacteria from worsening your acne condition. Its anti-inflammatory properties aid in soothing the swelling and redness which accompany acne and even face rash. Olive oil can be used for removing makeup on its own or after mixing it with lemon oil. If you are mixing it with aloe vera, the mixture provides extra hydration to the skin while removing your makeup. It can also be used as an effective lip scrub. Olive oil acts as a great cleanser, and due to its non-comedogenic nature, it does not block pores and serves the rightful purpose of dissolving the surface dirt. Olive oil is rich in vitamins A, D, K and even E, which means that it contains antioxidants called polyphenols. These antioxidants protect the skin against many threats and maintain the face glow. How to use olive oil for face? One can use olive oil for face in a number of ways, with each of them having its own set of uses. If you aim at healing scars, simply massage olive oil onto your scars for about 5 minutes. Leave it for about 10 minutes after this and then wipe off your face. In the case of hyperpigmented scars, you may add a little hydrogen peroxide or little lemon juice to olive oil and then face massage gently by following the same procedure. In case of wrinkles, simply dab the skin under and around your eyes with olive oil before going to bed or the first thing after waking up in the morning. You may also add lavender oil or rose water into olive oil for fragrance and use it as a moisturizer. Olive oil can also be used as exfoliating. Simply take a tablespoon of olive oil and mix it with a half teaspoon of sugar or salt and apply it to your face. Later, rinse it with warm water. Sugar is less abrasive than salt and serves the purpose in a better way with no harm. You can use olive oil for removing eye makeup, for curing blackheads and whiteheads, like a scar oil, for wrinkle treatment, reducing inflammation and repairing skin cells by simply massaging it gently over your face after consulting with your healthcare expert. Try this 2 olive oil face mask. 1. Ingredients: olive oil, egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of flour. Method: make a fine paste of egg yolk and flour added with olive oil. If it is too viscous to spread, then add more oil. Spread this face mask over your face and then leave it on for about 20 minutes to moisturize your skin. 2. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons of yogurt, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Method: take 5 tablespoons of yogurt and add a 1/4 cup of honey to it. Further, add 2 teaspoons of oil and mix it properly in order to obtain a thick solution. Apply this to your face and leave it for about 20 minutes. After this, wash it using lukewarm water. Use this once a week for healthy skin and regaining your face glow. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.